Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are back with another video. Today, guys, we are going to be playing baseball because we forgot to do the baseball in the sports thing we did a couple of months ago. You guys remember that? And I freaking heard that a lot of people love sports, so we are doing the baseball today. Guys, just a quick upload. I'm in Chicago right now, and we had the tornadoes. Hold on, guys. If she kicks it to this door, the white door over there, you guys. If Emy kicks it to the door, you guys have to subscribe. Shut up! Come on, subscribe! I get that ball. What? Ball. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Let's push me a comment down below. Let's get into some baseball because it looks like Dad's done. You guys want a backyard tour? Okay. So this is my grandparents' house is swing. That's how you get in the door, but there's a door in front, the gate, and there's an elevator where I was just a minute ago. You guys might have seen the garage, so I think. But let me show you where the toys are. The toys go right there. The cow goes in that big giant spot. Emy just kicked it to earlier. Let's play some baseball. Oh, hold on, guys. If Emy makes a shot, you guys have to shoot it. What was that, huh? You got a shot. Okay. This is not baseball right here. Okay.
The sergeant goes, well, preferably the feet.
Shot in the garage. Let's see.
So they put him in the bag and his feet sticking out. They put a blanket over his feet. And then the captain's like, well, now we obviously got another problem. They're like, this cat. He's like, it's not something. Everybody's walking through the hallways. And they don't really want to be reading out of that box.
In the garage.
So the guy just walked into the building and died?
Well, he showed up for work today. While he was working.
Oh, he worked there.
Yeah. Well, he was still sitting at the desk. And the officer, like, they said it was, he was cold and clammy. And they said, he goes,
Can
I
I
just
make
poked
the
him
ball?
in his head goes.
In the garage, where Emy is. I have no idea what you mean.
That was
Mom, it's raining. Daddy, it's raining. Guys, are you okay?
I'm not getting nothing.
Put the cardboard, no, just stop. Put the cardboard box down.
Oh, well, Uncle Rainey's going in the garage.
What? You guys come with us. Grab the crab. Come on.
Really?
Guys, it's raining as heck out here now. Mom, is that the tornado siren?
No.
Whoa. Whoa. Guys, we're in the garage right now. I just saw. No, the toys. I just saw lightning, guys.
That's fine.
No, the toys.
It's okay.
Sorry for ruining you guys' video today. Tomorrow it should be sunny. So
We had a couple months ago get a report of somebody sneaking around the parking garage.
Put the camera.
You go out there, it's a 14-year-old kid.
Really?
and he tells the officer that he's being chased by some guys, and they're trying to beat him up. So they're like, all right.
Dad, can
So
I go
they-
get the Mountain Dew?
Yes, go.
Contact the local police department, and they're like, what's this kid look like? So they describe him, and they're like,
Come on, let's go.
we're investigating that same incident, and the guy you have is actually the aggressor of the situation.
Really?
Oh.
Hiding out, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Sorry about ruining you guys' video. Maybe it's gotta stop. It's gotta stop raining, guys.
Tomorrow we would do the same exactly video tomorrow.
So you guys are short staffed.
Wait, we did a thunderstorm. They saw a thunderstorm
Yeah.
when we were at
I
our
was
house.
telling her, I said it's,
Oh my
it's
God,
such an
guys.
interesting thing
This is scary.
in the industry. You know, like ours, you know, Western Springs, I think there's, I don't know,
It's not.
there's 30 some odd full timers on there. I mean, it's a small department, obviously, in contrast with Long, which had over 100, and they're like about 20 up here, but, the turnover as of late has been, that I've noticed, has been staggering. You know, like their annual report they publish every year, and I've been there 8 years.
If it starts
I would
raining
agree.
now, me and I'm not
So
going
they
to
would
run in the
publish,
house.
you know, what
If
pictures and all
it
that
rains in the
staff
garage and you
members
guys get wet, don't worry, guys.
at the very
It's
end,
not
they
the end of
always
the world.
publish who left.
There we were recording, guys.
Usually one, there's always one per year.
To keep you warm.
Inside the house.
Six.
Maybe after it's done raining, so I guess it was wet.
Like a year,
Maybe after it's
there
done
was
raining, we
one,
just had that video, guys. Sorry for the baseball video. I mean, say sorry. Say sorry.
And I
Because,
just,
Yeah, then I would do.
yeah.
they actually opened
Oh, we
Western
got the Mountain Dew,
Springs,
right?
standard
That's good.
testing, great list and all
That's
that.
good, guys.
Now it's like, I don't know
But
any
it has to
department
park in there.
around
That's
here
the whole
that isn't
baseball.
pursuing lateral
Also park
transfers,
there.
you know, stealing from each other essentially.
What else can I put?
And as has Western Springs as well. Like the last couple I know have been lateral because it came from the city. I know there are two that just came
Not right there.
literally from Chicago. It's just, yeah, staffing is just fucking crazy everywhere.
Oh, and we should
Sunday.
put this somewhere else.
Why?
Cause Papa
4
needs
people retiring within their first 4 months
But where should
of
we
the
put
new
them?
year.
Really?
not on the floor.
And
Where should
then
we put
another
the
one
camera?
that just retired
We should
about
put the
15
drink.
Guys, if it starts raining hard, we gotta be okay, okay?
Like just for instance, we usually like to put 3 at the gate. I work
Sorry
the
about
gate
that.
on Mondays
Grandma, what's wrong?
and Thursday.
They're gonna come heavy down the tree.
Oh, and Wednesday. And all 3 days there was only 2 of us at the gate. Wow.
Okay, I need
And that was at because we have two gates in our region, and both gates were only operating with 2 people. But it's bad now because like everybody's taking leave.
Yeah, of course, of course.
They said
And,
But still,
then they managed it in their infinite wisdom, decided that officers could only work 40 hours of overtime pay period. They cut it down, and they said any overtime that needs to be filled, the people that don't do overtime need to step
I
up to
don't
the
know.
plate and
That's
start.
not safe out there.
And if they
Yeah,
ain't
that's
doing
not
it,
safe out there. I
Yeah.
don't know.
but I know.
like the city of Chicago has
No
now.
way.
I know I was talking to my lieutenant about it,
We're no way. We should
and I
watch
know
the
our
news.
sergeants, everybody's against it, because they know what happens
How do you know?
when he goes, when we mandate overtime, we know what happens, because then the officers just call off
Maybe we
and
should
do that.
grab your iPad.
So they haven't
Right, guys?
really been mandated,
Where's my tablet?
and,
Well, it's a shitty way to fill the gap. I mean, look at this. I don't know if you know, but that's how the city of Chicago has chosen to do it.
yeah, but what's stupid is like,
I mean-
you got a group of people that are more than willing to work that want the overtime.
You scared me because
So
my
why
iPad was shaking.
Okay,
and
well, you're gonna be picking it up
You
in 2
just,
seconds.
you
Box
just
will come
pissed
back.
that group off,
Yeah.
and you just pissed off another, so you just pissed everybody off.
Yeah, I know.
And and like we asked why are they doing this, and nobody could give a reason. Like,
And now we should.
Yeah, it doesn't
I
matter.
should
You're
put
still
the camera
spending the same
outside
amount of
to
money,
see,
right? Meaning, it
so
doesn't
I
matter
can
who's working overtime.
Oh.
It doesn't change that. Come on, guys, step over here. Just step
like
right there.
a couple of weeks ago, they needed somebody to work Saturday morning,
Yeah.
and I actually worked out a deal. I go, hey, I'll be willing
Here, look
to
at-
come in and work Saturday, my day off on days, as long as you let me take leave on Sunday.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
And at first, my son
Stop,
was like,
guys.
no, you
It's not raining.
we will be short.
That was
And
the
then it was like
quickest
3 days
rain
later,
I
my
ever
other
saw.
Didn't
sergeant's
know.
like,
And
hey, I heard you were wearing. I go, yeah,
No.
but Sergeant
I
Rose said
feel so
adamant
Stop it!
about no.
Flip it around the room.
And then he was like, I never said that to you. I go,
Oh,
you're
wait,
so
it's
full
right
of
here.
horseshit. You stood right behind me and told me no, we ain't doing that. And it ended up where I did work Saturday and took Sunday off.
Fell down.
Well, that's at least nice to get some flexibility afforded there. I mean,
But because he goes, well, you can still work Saturday and then come in Sunday. I go, no, I can't do that.
yeah.
I can put my camera on the chair.
No. My ass is
How
in
many?
there.
What's
I
that?
tell the day shift sergeant, I'm like, don't even come and ask me about overtime unless you're going to mandate it.
Yeah.
And then if you mandate it, I will be coming off the next day.
It was raining.
What is?
Yeah, that's why we're all hanging in the.
Yeah, he knows. There's water all over his car. I'm sure he's aware of it. What's the
Wait, did it
staffing
stop
level? I
raining?
mean, what are you looking at? As
Guys,
far
we'll be
as-
right
It's
back.
like 60%.
Come again?
It's like 60%.
Wow. Wow.
They like to keep it about 80,
Okay.
but it's
That's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, the city. I know the city's down
It's starting to rain again.
3,000 cops. You know, they're just
Get
considered
it, get
for
it.
the size force. You know,
Oh,
I mean,
it's
it's still a lot of personnel.
freaking wet.
But that's just nuts. I mean, the city can't even get people to test. I mean, come on, you know the
No,
days
guys,
the
let me
city,
show
the
you.
city of Chicago tests.
Let me show you guys.
Like impossible to do that.
I come on to you.
Grandpa, say hi. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
I don't know why. Why is my camera so black? The garage you can see us perfectly.
Look at this. It's covered. Put it on that tape. Put the knees.
I don't know, but if it's not raining harder because it's already. Guys,
Look at this.
We gotta get in the garage. Come on, go. Come on,
Something wet.
just get in the garage.
Well, I don't know.
Something wet.
I think in some communities it'd be fine, but
No.
you know, it's just I don't get it. I mean, you know, western suburbs are fine, but
I don't even
our
think-
the deputy chief, we just had a little bit of. I got the details from valid sources from behind the scenes, but because I still have good rapport with people who will share the real stuff with me. But we had for Western Springs, the deputy chief up and suddenly retired at the beginning of end of May, beginning of June. Sunday. And when I caught wind of it, I'm like,
You guys can go back outside.
Tired.
Guys,
"Man, he's only in his 50s. He's still
it's
young."
raining. Woo, let's go. Well, no, let's go. Guys, should the sun come out? Guys, if you have the weather app, check the weather, see if the sun. It's not. Guys, look at the frisbee. Guys, look at the frisbee. I'm throwing the frisbee. That's wet as heck. The camera's soaking.
Yeah, that's why you should leave it right there.
It's raining outside. There's no thunder and lightning. If there was lightning, I'd give you a perfect shot. It might be here in December. That's the question is,
Dad, we need
what
to get in
makes
the
lightning?
garage. It's going to rain.
Listen, guys. The camera is. Hold on. Take the camera with. I'm staying out here. Hey! Take the camera. See you guys when I come
I'm
in.
staying out here.
With me? Take him in the garage. Dad, I'll be back.
Guys, it literally started to rain.
Deputy chief probably will be chief at some point. You know, if the current chief, when he essentially decided to move on.
God, literally. Look at the frisbee. You will not like this. Do you saw the frisbee? Yeah, I know. sorry, couldn't get
back to the garage.
sorry, we couldn't play that game because it was going to play me.
Like, you need to go take some
But
police
we
tape
messed
and put
up
it off these
so we would do
cubicles.
it tomorrow.
And we're like, okay.
Yeah.
And then
Guys, it's starting to rain harder now.
And guys, it's all the toys out so
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to her channel.
Oh yeah, this is something. Wow.
It's starting to rain again like it was like before. Did you feel that?
Give
Give me the camera. Garage safe again.
Guys, it's raining. Are you okay, guys? You're soaking wet.
Show them something. Come on, dance in the rain. Show them. Turn the camera around. No, wrong way.
No, guys, it's raining.
So we were watching.
Get in the garage.
Guys, get out. Go freaking.
I'm like, that was him. That's his name. And then I called back.
I finally
That's-
see
I
them.
called up.
You guys.
I'm like, hey, everything's
But
good
then I need to
inside?
be right back.
He's like, yeah, everything's good now. And then when I went in to go to the bathroom, he was like, hey, I know I probably sounded like I had no food, but he goes, that guy came in to pick up his friend's backpack. His friend just got fired.
Okay.
And then I found out it was from the same guy that
Make
had
sure it
his
doesn't
cubicle
fall.
taped off.
It's not my responsibility. It's your iPad.
They won't fall.
If it falls and breaks, you're shit out
I
of luck.
don't know what he did, but he got fired.
Really? Now, do you guys have to escort people out
Yeah.
when they're let go?
Well, no. What we usually do is if they expect something bad,
Yeah.
we go sit in the room next door.
Yeah.
And then if they need us, we'll go.
Okay.
But usually, that's about most we do.
I was just curious.
Dad, and then they'll have maybe us posted up in the parking lot, and they'll be like, "Hey, he's coming," and then we'll kind of follow.
Yeah. I get it. We know. That's wild.
It's always funny because they're like, "Hey, at 2:00, go up to this room and make sure you have a taser with you." We had
You
one.
guys don't carry tasers
We
as
took the
a normal?
umbrella.
No? Really?
Okay.
I did.
Nah, I don't. No.
We
The first time I put one on, I almost had to
and
use
we're gonna
it.
have
And I said,
Well, it was
And we
going
gonna
to be
have
partly cloudy all day, but then it just started raining. Why does it have to be when we start playing baseball? It starts raining. Couldn't it start raining when we do
so
the
she was joking.
backyard
And
thing?
she was right. We are going to have rain. Yeah, I think this is the only thing rain. Amazing clueless. Anything. Dad, are you okay? Yeah, let me get you.
so there's no reason why we would be up there.
There's something
We
where
all get on the elevator. We all get on corner. And
No
we just sit
fish
on
on
each
me.
other all the way down. We get done, and I go to my buddy. I go, he knew exactly what we were up there for.
Yeah, it couldn't have took rocket science, man. Wow.
Look at
That's fun,
carry
but
it.
Hey, it's my phone.
Fine, I carry it.
No, I mean, I'm.
Put it on the cup. I'll put on the bill. So guys, I think it's stuff.
Yeah, I don't see it already.
What?
What?
I
Yeah.
felt a big up on it. And now it's still trying. Because we didn't have rain today. She was great. Maybe she was great. The rain wasn't rain. Or she was not doing.
So guys, who wants to see us play baseball in the rain? Okay, so we're gonna be playing base.
I really want to show you our baseball video, but now it's ruined.
Yo, why is this camera like that?
The rain.
Alright, guys, I'm so sorry about that.
Guys, I'm
I'm so sorry about this, guys.
I'll be right back.
But if you enjoy this video, guys, subscribe to this channel, like this video. Go check out my channel coming soon. I remember. I mean, I'm not done talking. Guys,